Good day everyone, we are from Group 4 and I would like to present our project for computer programming. So this is our flowchart before we proceed with our coding. So our control structure for flowchart consists of repetition or looping to declare error and also sequence.
Hi, my name is EXZELLVIER and RUDI. Now I will continue the presentation. Next, declare JEFFERSON at Q, VQ. If x smaller than I and x bigger equal to I, we will use this formula. If x bigger L1 and L smaller than L1, it's an invalid value. Next, display the JEFFERSON at Q, VQ. Lastly, N.
Hi, my name is Jefferson, CHANTONG and JEMAT, and my matrix number is CF210178. And for the pseudo code, we start with introduction and welcoming, and then insert the value and so on. And then for the formula, if x is lesser than I, use the formula VQ, and then VQ1. And then if x is greater than I, use formula VQ equals to P1 times by 1 minus x over L1. And then the last one is display the JEFFERSON at Q.
Hi, my name is Johnathen and my matrix number is CF210052. So I will present about the coding that we have done. So first it started with the intro and the welcoming. So we also have the student name with the matrix number together with the lecturer name. So the coding started with the calculation for the beam, for the length of the beam. So as you can see, there is also the immediate entry, which is we need to re-enter the value. So next, the coding continue with the value for the point load P, and for the coding for the left of the beam to support A, to the support B, and to the point load P. So as you can see also in the for the wrong entry, that we also have to re-enter the value. So next is the crucial part for the coding, which is the formula. So we have the calculation for Li and calculation for VQ. So as you can see, this is the formula for the calculation. So there are also invalid values. So this is the result. So the result is presented below.
Hi, my name is Johnathen and JARUP. Okay, this is for result with error. If a student put an error of beam value, it's come out with invalid entry, or they must re-enter the value. Okay, this is final result. For final result, they put a correct value. For the support A inhibitor is 3 meter, and support B is 7.5 meter, and load is 4 meter, and it's come out with a result which internal force at point Q is 5.556 kilonewton.